Hey guys, Ron41 here. Today I am back with another video. Now this is different than anything I've really done before because today I'm going to be solving this, which is a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Like as you can see, 4, not 3. It's a speed cube actually. Then I have the 3x3 and the, 2x2 is behind my camera stand. Boom. So yeah, I think my total time ended up being 6:48. So yeah, this is I've only solved this a couple of times. So yeah, enjoy the video. All right, guys. So as you can see, the cube's nice and shuffled. So I'm just gonna go ahead. That was just random movements, by the way. I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing it. So I'm gonna have to be quiet so that I can fast forward through this. So yeah. Alright guys, so my final time ended up being like 6 minutes. Yeah, this is like my probably 5th time solving it total. So, because I like literally just got this today. And honestly, so far I really like it. And along with this, I also got this 3x3 speed cube and this 2x2 speed cube. Which, this 2x2, really easy to solve. I can solve it. Here, I'll solve it without even speeding up. Boop, 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 and a boop, 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 boop. It's literally just a really simple version of the 3x3. And then this I also just got today, so yeah. And then 3x3 obviously I can do too, but that'll probably be another video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Mainly just wanted to record this because I just got this today, like I said before. And yeah, there we go. Sorry, I was trying to match up the color. I don't know why I'm being a good derp. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys later.